Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin with this exciting recipe. I've taken my NutriBullet jar and I've put it onto a weighing scale and I'm going to put in liquid egg whites. And you put that into the jar. The quantities are written in the description box, so do look at that. Now we are going to add some room temperature water. Again, the quantities do look for in my description box. We add the water and zero the weighing scale again. And now we are going to put whole psyllium husk and all of 11 grams. So zero your weighing scale again and put it little by little. So don't worry if it's 10 grams or 11 grams, but try to reach 11 grams of psyllium husk, whole psyllium husk. Now that we've put that in, we are going to put in 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Yes, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise into it, and that comes up to about 11 grams. Now I'm going to blitz all this in the NutriBullet, not too long, just so that it's well mixed in. And this is what it looks like after it's all mixed in. It's still a nice thin liquidy mixture. And now let's head over to the stove top. See that you use a non-stick pan and swirl a little bit of the mixture and do all this on a medium heat on your stove top and let it cook on one side. You have to get used to this process. It might stick a little. I think my first one that I'm showing you got stuck a little, but don't worry, all of them will be used. And so here we have it, and you just pull it off, put off your stove top and then slowly pull it off. And see, it's got stuck on one side and maybe this one will crack a bit. Don't worry, the next one will be even better. I'm going to show you one more to show you that you can get used to it. Yeah, very important. After you pull it out, just dab a little bit of water on it. This keeps it soft. Now, here's another one, and swirl, swirl, swirl. And you don't have to put too much of the mixture, just literally a thin film of it. And back on medium heat, allowing it to cook for maybe about 35-40 seconds. And you'll be able to tell because the color changes. And then put the stove off again. And then be careful when you're trying to pull it out because it is a hot pan. But you'll get used to it. And let's try pulling this one out. I think this one should pull out more easily. And these are absolutely amazing, completely flawless, and you can have them completely guilt-free. There's no almond flour, coconut flour, nothing in it. And they really come out really thin, and you can almost see your hands through it. I'll try to show you that. And here you go. Can you see that? You can see my fingers through it. Put it on top of the other one and again spray it with water. This is very important. It keeps them really, really soft. So enjoy this with all your fillings. You can fry them or air fry them. Thanks for watching. Bye then.